How can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Shortmax app, or just click on search here. Sorry, I'll go back to the list. You click here on search like I say. So then here add Shortmax, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like